So you'll be DMing daily artists, fashion designer, hairstylists, models, photographers to collaborate with you and no one is replying. Let's see why that happens and how you can start getting your yeses. I'll also show you behind the scenes clips of my recent collaboration shoot and how I handled that. If you're a makeup artist, a hairstylist, a photographer, a daily artist struggling to collaborate with other people, trying to grow your portfolio, this video is for you. So everyone talks about collaboration shoots, but no one tells you how hard it can be when starting out. So get that pen and that book and start writing this down. So most of makeup artists that struggle with collaboration shoots are the ones who are just starting out, the beginners. So there are many reasons why a creative vendor or a creative will not want to work with you. For makeup artists who are just starting out, they don't have enough portfolio to put on their pages to say that yes, I'm a good makeup artist to work with. And if a vendor comes to your page, you need to see the good stuff. They need to say either you're a makeup artist or not. So trying to do collaboration shoot, there are a lot of things you need to understand first before reaching out to other creative, asking or requesting for a collaboration shoot. But one of the struggles is that people want to work with creative who are intentional and reliable. Those ones that are very hardworking, consistent, and their portfolio is chef's kiss. I remember I was starting I'll put screenshots of the messages I've sent to creative when I was starting out. I messaged a lot of people, hey, but nobody responded. And I was like, Polo, you get mine though, because the kind of message I was like, now if someone like that should reach out to me, I would never give it a second thought because I'm already getting requests for collaboration shoots for other creators, and I'm looking at this person's page, I'm like, I'm confused. Like, why do you want to work with me? Like, I don't see what I think I should be seeing on your page. I'm not seeing it. So message a fellow creative, let's say a photographer, for example, and you're asking for a collaboration shoot. And on your page, your pictures are blurry, your work is not properly done. People for makeup artists will be thinking that probably their work is not good enough, but baby, it's not your craft. It's not just about your craft. I mean, your craft is one thing. It's also an important feature to remember when you want to like collaborate with other vendors, because creative will not want to work with you if your skill is bad. Like if your craft is not looking good, they will not want to work with you. But that is not only the reason why a creative will not want to collaborate with you. Apart from your craft, if your page is looking disorganized, because if you are requesting for collaboration shoots for some creative, you will get to send emails, but 90% of the time you just have to send them a DM on their social media platform where they are more active. So that is the number one place to go to if you are trying to reach out to some creatives. And so if your page is looking disorganized, disorientated, like it's not giving what it should give, maybe nobody will want to work with you. I'm sorry. And number two is that sometimes you are not also helping yourself. Makeup artists are just starting out. You are reaching out to a photographer that has like 100k followers. Like, it's very rare to find a fellow creative that wants to work with you and the statistics is not balancing, the numbers are not balancing. You are still trying to get to 1k followers and you messaged or you sent a DM to a fellow creative that has like over 100k. Those vendors will not want to work with you if you're not a big person in your industry. They will not want to work with you. They don't want to have anything to do with you because they won't take you serious. If Bella Ninja is not reposting your work, or Ashebi Bella is not posting your work, my dear, they not go see you. And another point is that some makeup artists, they don't know how to reach out to these creatives that I'm talking about. Like, how do you send them a message? What is the context of your message? What content? And some don't know how to reach out properly or what they want to offer. Imagine you want to collaborate with a creative and you now go into their DM and just put, hi, good morning, let's collaborate. Or something so vague, like a message that does not have structure, does not have content, does not have direction, does not have value, like nothing like that. You're just one. So if you don't know how to like send like a proper message, be professional and be straight and direct on what you want to do, what you want to offer, the value you are offering to them, then nobody will respond to you. I'm so sorry. And also if you are inconsistent, my sister, don't even bother. Don't even worry. This particular point if you belong in this category, look at my news. I'm so ashamed. If you are not consistent, my sister, just go and sit down. So you put yourself in that person's shoe. Your last post was like 3 months ago, 2 months ago. You now message your photographer or model or let's say a artist and you want to collaborate. Will they take you serious? No. When your portfolio is not developed enough and you are inconsistent, that's one of the struggles. Like, you will not get any response. Nobody will respond to your DM, my sister. Smart thing, you guys want to ChatGPT. Any smart thing you guys want to ChatGPT. Why not just bring out that message from your head? I remember the last message I sent to few fashion designers, and normally the old me would have just grabbed whatever it is ChatGPT says me, I'll just paste it there. But in this case, and I got so many responses back, but I did not use ChatGPT for this one. Of course I asked ChatGPT, I picked like 1 or 2 ideas from ChatGPT, then I also inserted my own. The way, oh god, if you guys want my prompt, I don't know if I should give you this cheat code, because this particular one, I said I'll not go to ChatGPT again for collaboration shoot messages. No. It's a lie. If you don't have a clear concept, you want to do a collaboration shoot, but you don't know what kind of collaboration shoot you want to do, you don't know what look you are going for, like, no clear vision. You say you don't even have vision. You don't have any goal. What you just want to do collaboration. All the name of you want to do collaboration. Should they want to do it? It doesn't work with that way. Nobody will reply your DM. The name will see it. On some occasions, you can actually get people that will work with you or that want to collaborate with you, but that's if they benefit from it. Basically, if they are getting paid for it, if something is entering their pockets, that's only when they can accept to do a collaboration shoot with you. So, talk about the struggles now. Let's talk about what you need to do in order to get those collaboration shoots coming in. Offer clear value. Yes, engage on their posts, like, comment, follow them. How can you say you want to work with a fellow creative and you're not following them? Would they even look at you? Like, I always get I got that thing some time ago when not even one model, like 2 models on different occasions, they reached out to me saying, okay, they love my work and want to collaborate with me, and you're not following me. Why should I work with you? You're not supporting me. Follow me. I know collaboration is more about connection, more about growth, networking. So if I'm not saying now that you want to work with me, but you're not even following me, you're not following me yet, how do I know that, okay, you want to support me, that if there's an opportunity where you can refer me, you will. You can't even do the bare minimum. So make it make sense. Follow them, engage on their posts, like, comment. You can even share. Do this for like 3 days to 1 week straight. They'll notice you. So if you are entering their DM, nigga, they'll put you into consideration. And also say what you want. Send your mood board, create a mood board and send to them. Tell them what exactly the exact shit you want to do. Tell them what ideas do they have that you guys, so that you guys can like merge your ideas together and come together and work together. Those things are very important. Another point is be professional and be organized. Before you enter their DM, plan those things already. The shoot you want to do, where you want to organize it, the day, the time, those kind of things they will ask you. The date, the time, the location, what kind of shoot, the model, everything. This is why you have to create your mood board. You can rub minds together, but at least you need to know what you want and state what you want so that they can tell that, oh, you mean business. And the last point, stay consistent. Be consistent. If you are not posting, don't say it's because of the collaboration shoot, that's why you can't post. What do you mean? Hello? Don't say that. Go and post something. Be posting your client's work. Be posting. If it's that you don't have a studio, don't make excuses. Just try and be posting. Post something good. Now I'm going to post something. Let me give you 3 major things to consider before posting the content you are thinking about. Number 1, just be good lighting. So if you don't have ring light, you don't have LED light, my dear sister, use the lights that God has blessed us with. It's not by force. 2, have a good quality video. If you can borrow. If you can buy a better phone that has good quality. You can buy. Many people use iPhone, but there are many good Android phones that has camera quality. So has very good video quality. So you can also invest in that as well. Number 3, your work needs to look good. If your work is not looking good, Mister, I would say you should archive those posts, because I mean, all those kind of things, it shows growth. But eventually, when after many years you now look back, you see that, God, I've grown. That work needs to look good. It needs to be, your makeup has to be smooth. If it's your hair, the lace has to be laid. So make sure your work looks good and stay consistent. Post. You can post 3 times a day. You can post daily. Post on your story. Post on other platform. Don't just say, oh, let's collab. You too, before you know, your brand will be big one thing, and you too, you'll be rejecting collaboration shoot, because the kind of people that be asking for collaboration shoot, you'll be like, who is this? If the videographer also reach out to me for a collaboration shoot, I'm like, it's posting anime skinny on his page. I'm like, anime bridal shoot, anime bride, anime like Fijora. Don't wait for people to pick you. Build your own table. Collaboration is about network and growth. Start small and stay consistent, and I promise you, people will notice. Every shoot helps you learn, build content, and attract bigger opportunities. Let me give you a summary of my recent collaboration shoot I did with an Okuku stylist. As you know, I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria, mainly in Yaba. Yaba access, whoever knows. If you are from Yaba, please drop a comment in the comment section. And I reached out to few Okuku vendors, but many of them were like, they don't have Okuku beads, and Okuku beads is quite pricey. So there was, out of all of them, it was just this lady that reached out, that responded back, and she was like, oh, she has the beads and she would love to work with me. But she only had one, but say, I'll have to come to her location. Sometimes Lagos, you think you've been to the whole perimeter of this Lagos until you find out there's another place you don't even know existed. I forgot the name of the place, Yano something. Yano Ishashi. Yano Ishashi. I've never gone that far in my life. And bear in mind, I entered public transport to get to this place. It was so chaotic. It was so stressful. But at the end of the shoot, it was worth it. And to God be the glory, I got back home safe and sound. Like, it took me 2 to 3 hours to get to this place. And there was no traffic. The road was free, but the motor was just going. But yes, and I reached out to a fellow makeup artist. I saw a model that she used on her page, and I reached out to her like, oh, I love your model, will you mind sharing me her contact? I also want to reach out to her. It was really nice and welcoming. We gisted, we laughed, we shared our experiences as creatives, and everything just came out really nice. We brainstormed on look we wanted to do together, the type of content we want to shoot, and that's how you create masterpiece. You don't only share your idea, you guys will have to rub minds together so that both parties will be satisfied. You get the gist. The shoot went smooth, like as you can see, like it was really. Time will not permit me to go into more details, because trust me, there's a whole lot to learn about collaboration. So if you want a part 2 of this topic, please drop it in the comment section. I don't want the video to be too long, so if you want to learn more about makeup business or makeup industry, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment for more. Bye guys.